Hello guys, today we'll discuss about the Elasticsearch installation process. So first we know about the Elasticsearch. So here some of the bullet points where I just some description, small description about the Elasticsearch. So Elasticsearch is the open source and full text search engine. So it's for the search only, it's use the text. So that's why it's faster. And it's developed in the Java and the build on the top of the Apache Lucene. So what is Apache Lucene? Here Apache Lucene is the free and open source search engine software library. They follow this library and they develop this Elasticsearch. And it's a real-time distributed and analytical engine which help to develop the search mechanism. Like Google, they are having some the autocomplete. So it's helped to it's helped to search. It helps to find out the search prediction also. So similarly, the Elasticsearch is working like that only. Some of the companies are using this Elasticsearch in their search mechanism, and it also completely based on the document. Here, it's not following the tables and schema in the SQL and other like platform that MS SQL or whatever is there for there's always follows the tables and the schemas. But in the Elasticsearch, it's store the data as the document wise, and whatever the data format is the JSON format. It store the data as the JSON format. So here how it's stored, how it's work. So first we just install this one and check how it is work. So here I go through the Elastic official site and I'll get this URL, this MSI URL to download the MSI file. Already I downloaded that file. I just have to install this one. Start installing. In the first page, it's showing the two options. So you can go through the default directories and you can customize your directory, installation directory. So basically I prefer this one, the customize that one, because it's helpful where you have to install, because some of the time when you work on the Elasticsearch, many of the times we have to configure the configurations, and also we have to check the data. So what are the node is available into the data, and many times we have to search the log files. Okay, configuration directories, and this the log directories. Okay, then go next. These are some default configurations. So here you can change the cluster name, node name, whatever no node name we can give. And this one is the memory. It's a JVM memory. We can customize the JVM memory. I just want to use the minimum memory usage. And is the network host. Here we have to give the local host IP 0.1, 127.0.0.1. It's the port ID of the Elasticsearch. Then we have to go next, and here some of the plugins are available with the descriptions. So for your project, which plugin is required, you can go through this plugin. In my project, I use this one, this two plugin. Go next. This one is the basic one. I just install the basic one. You can go for the trial. For trial only, you have to give the elastic and whatever the details they want, you have to share. I go through the basic one and click install. It takes some few minutes to install the Elasticsearch. Now here the Elasticsearch is installed successfully. Uh, so it's just a Windows service, so we can check in the services the Elasticsearch. So here we can check it's installed. Okay, and it's running. So we have to check, we have to run this one. So while installation time, we gave this 9200 port number. So here we'll get the cluster name. While installation time, we say this cluster name, and it's a node name. Okay, so in this version we installed 7.9.2 7.9.2 MSI. So installation is 10 and we are able to browse this one. So when you stop this one, you just stop, and you are not able to browse this port number. We can't browse. So here, so now I also shared some of the examples on the Elasticsearch. So I run this Postman. Where also we can check which version Elasticsearch we installed. So here I have to create some, I have to post some data into the Elasticsearch. Okay, here already I created something. I'll just show you previously. Okay, it's just removed. While on install time, it's removed. So same only. I have to just a minute. Now it's gone. So I'll show you. I have to post that data. Okay, into the Elasticsearch. So sorry, I have to post this one. So here to give the content type is header is the content type and the value is the application JSON because it's store the data as JSON format. So here I give some data like I give some my Aadhaar card details. My name is Pradeep. Okay, then I'm from cities BBSR, Bhubaneswar. So sorry, here no need to give here only. We have to pass the data inside the body. Wrong place. I sorry for that. I put in the wrong place. So here it is. The data is entered. So how to check whatever the data is entered? So here you can check this one is the index. So Aadhaar card is the index, type is the person, and ID is the one. ID is the one. So here the data is source is Pradeep and city BBSR. Okay, so here also we can update our data. For update only, we change the method as post, and here I give slash underscore update. Okay, in the body tab, I have to add something here. So in the one itself, in the one ID, we have to update some record. So for that only we have to give docs, doc only, sorry, colon, bracket stat. Here I give like my age. My age is 33 and I'll give something like my other ID. Other ID is 123 XYZ. Like this only. Send it. It's updated. So how to check this one? We have to just get the value of ID 1. So here you can check the ID is updated, the age is updated in Pradeep. So I want to search. Okay. For search only, how to search? Like no need this ID, person, Aadhaar card, nothing. I don't want nothing. I just gave underscore search question mark Q. Already it's coming here like Pradeep. Okay. So here you will get like the hit number it's given, how many hit is there, because one JSON record is there, only one hit you are getting. If the many number of the JSON is there, you will get the many number of the hit count. Okay. Then anything is there apart for this? Is the index name, type, person, type is person ID 1, and the record details. Now we'll go through this other ID. Okay. So better we have to copy this one and we have to search other ID. We go through this other ID. Q is there. It's underscore search question mark Q. It's a default one. I just give other ID colon and whatever the ID is there, 123 XYZ, 123 XYZ. Here I'll get the same value. It's another way to search the data. So it's only one record. If it is thousands, million of records, so it's search like this only, and the search performance is very fast. So many of the companies they are following this Elasticsearch. They are using this Elasticsearch to make faster their search performance. So we done some of the functionalities like we post our records, we get the records, and we update and search the records. So we can delete our record also, whatever we installed, whatever we post, we can delete that one as well. uh, I just check the data. Okay, so we can delete the record. So how to delete? So this one is the 9200 other. This is the record. So I just want to delete this one, this ID. So just go to the delete and send. So other is there type person ID one, but whatever the result, it's not find, but because it's deleted. Okay, so we try to search also. You can check we are able to search the record or not. No, because there is no hit count. Hit count is 0 and there is no hit value. Value is null. So today's information is this much. Thanks for the watching. Bye.